Stay awake for 11 straight days, and your brain starts to break down while you are still awake to feel every second of it. In 1964, a teenager tried exactly that, on purpose. No coffee, no pills, just refusing to sleep. Here is what happened to his mind day by day. The first day feels normal, just a little tired. By day 2, his eyes can no longer focus properly, and his sense of touch starts to go numb. By day 3, he is moody and clumsy and forgetful. By day 4, the hallucinations arrive. He stares at a street sign and is certain it is a person watching him. By day 5, his brain builds an entire fantasy. He believes he is a famous athlete. His mind has started dreaming while his eyes are still wide open. In the last days, his speech slurs, his memory drops out mid-sentence, and his hands shake. His body is screaming for the one thing it is not allowed to skip. He reached 11 days. Then he slept for just 14 hours and woke up almost completely fine. Sleep is not rest. It is the maintenance your brain refuses to live without. Your brain cleans itself every single night. Skip it long enough, and it stops asking nicely.